drugs.
Ka MP Berim jong katura bat kanongelam kaseng NPP ka Agatha ke Sangma hinin kasngi kalapen pau ya ke jingsngos kem baka kertong jong ka NPP ka mehtab candi Sangma kan job yak election Shiteng Samoi ha Gambegre. Ka Agatha kalaong baki nongsong shnong jong ka Gambegre kila saki ya ki kampenroy ki belawan ra da umentri rang ba ka jela u konrad ke Sangma bat kangen bakin kwa banjit ya ka MLA ka bedon jingade bat ka sorkar kanang ban penti kana ya ka jing jong ki kampen roy but ban yo ya ki scheme prepare
to have an MLA who is part of the government who will help bring about better development and better schemes. So I really feel that the people of Gambegre are looking forward to voting in this election, and they will definitely look at the government of the day. They will look at our Honorable Chief Minister and also our candidate Mrs. Mehtab A. Sangma. She is a very, very qualified candidate, has had a vast experience, in public life. So I really feel that the combination is wonderful and we will see good results.
Kawan Man Commission jong Justice retired BP Kataki